So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store app and try to update your Boomplay app. So when you search for your Boomplay app, then you tap on update, as you can see over here. So after updating your Boomplay app, you're going to see open section over here. After updating it, don't tap on it to open it, but rather go to your phone and try to search for this Boomplay app. So when you find your Boomplay app, just use your finger to tap on it for some while, then you tap on the app info. After doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on the permissions and make sure every permission is allowed, which is very necessary. After that, tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear card to clear the cache. After that, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on or is still good on. Then go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still good on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while to get your phone or device to restart. So tap on the restart or reboot, then after that you tap on OK to accept it to restart or reboot its own self. So this is where your phone is going to get off and turn on automatically. After doing this, the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.